The mother of an 18-year-old girl who just succumbed to COVID-19 is speaking out today, warning Americans not to go out New Year's Eve.
I don't even think I really realized it was New Year's Eve. And I know that there's people out there and they want to have these big parties and get togethers. And I'm here to tell you're going to have those again next year.
Sarah Simmental had no underlying medical conditions, yet she died the day after Christmas, after just 3 days in a Chicago hospital. That's how fast she went.
It just ate right through her. At the end, her kidney, all just so quickly, her kidneys were starting to fail. Everything was going. It was just a shock.
Now, Debbie Simmental is appealing to everyone to stay home for New Year's Eve, no matter how tempting it is to go out.
Just hang in there and just remember what's important. And being safe is what's most important.
And TV's Dr. Drew Pinsky says a hospital refused to give him a COVID-19 vaccine. A week later, he became infected and he's hopping mad.
The hospital would not let me get the vaccine because my papers weren't in order. And I will tell you, the scene at that hospital was like a World War II border crossing scene. It was ridiculous. And then I didn't get the vaccine. And now I'm sick. Now I can't take care of my patients who I keep out of the hospital.
The 62-year-old MD says he is outraged at the troubling slow pace of the vaccine rollout.
Just absurd the way some hospitals are dealing with the vaccine program. It's really, frankly, it's nearly criminal. It's nearly criminal.
He is now being treated at home with infusions of the antibody drug Bamlanivimab.
Bamlanivimab, everybody. Good stuff.
One Instagram user accused him of getting special treatment.
These are expensive drugs that the whole world can't get.
Stop this. Stop looking for negativity in these things.
There are fears that New Year's Eve parties will trigger yet another surge. Lisa Guerrero is in Los Angeles.
Cedars-Sinai Hospital in Los Angeles has sent a mass email to all of the patients in its system, pleading with them to stay away from New Year's Eve celebrations tonight. It warns that a new wave of infections could push these hospitals to the breaking point.
Exactly a year ago, China first informed the World Health Organization of an outbreak of a mysterious new disease. And this is how Deborah reported the first cases in the U.S. when the virus reached our shores.
The number of confirmed coronavirus cases in the United States has risen to 5. And in Wuhan, China, the city where the virus was first identified, the streets are deserted.
It was hard to imagine back then the nightmare that lay ahead.